This lesson was created by Lauren Rogowski in Education 240, Section 3. It is a Nearpod entitled Team Grammar and focuses on Standard 1.4 from the Virginia Standards of Learning for First Grade English. The learning objective is, given a Nearpod about grammar and parts of a sentence, the students will be able to correctly identify letters, words, sentences, and ending punctuation within a piece of writing with an 80% accuracy. For the activity, teacher select nearpod.com. You will have to log in and select live lesson for the Nearpod. You will not want to resume. Share this join code with the students and allow them to also go to nearpod.com and enter the join code, UJVNB. The students will then enter their name and hit join session. The students will follow along on their page while the teacher will operate the slideshow. So you will click through, and on slide 3 there will be a video, so select all devices and allow the student to view the video from their screen. You will then continue through, and there will be questions throughout the slideshow, so allow each student to have adequate time to answer the question. So on the student screen, this is what it will look like. They will select the answer, and then at the bottom of their screen there will be a submit button. They will submit their answer, and on the teacher's screen this is what it will look like. It'll say the student's name and what they answered. You can then share their answer so that the student can see what the class said for the answer to the question. You will continue clicking through, and students will have the opportunity to draw their answer. Click whatever color they want and submit. And the teacher can then see what their answer was on the screen. You'll continue through, and there will be a couple questions. There's one where the students get to fix this sentence, so they have to type it correctly. Have a merry, Christmas, have a Merry Christmas with the correct punctuation. And submit. Teacher then can see the answer and share, has the option to share the answer with the students. And at the end of the Nearpod presentation, there is a quiz. It is a multiple choice quiz, and just so that you can see what it looks like, it is a multiple choice. The student will select their answers and then submit at the end.